Hello.
Hi.
Could you tell me about your stories, your previous symptom pain? What changes now?
Yes, I started having leg pain and back pain. My pain would go all the way to my toes, and I would have tingling and prickly feelings, and I wasn't able to sleep. I would cry all the time. I've already had a back surgery 2 years ago, and then I went back to the surgeons. I went to 3 different surgeons, two spinal surgeons and an orthopedic surgeon. One requested me having a spinal fusion, and then the other one said I needed another surgery. Then I went to a neurologist because then I had pain all over my body. It started going to my arms and both sides of my legs and both lower back pain, both sides. The neurologist did all the tests. I did MRIs of my neck, my back, my brain. They couldn't find anything wrong. They put me on all kinds of meds because the surgeons requested me to have all these surgeries and nothing was helping. The neurologist requested me to go to Mayo Clinic, and I filled out all the forms, talked to the people, and they said all the tests I already had was the test that they were gonna have me do with the nerve pain. Nothing was working, so I was going to the chiropractor, and she requested me to see Dr. O. And when I saw Dr. O, I was crying in so much pain, and he gave me my life back because I used to only be able to go to school. I'm a teacher, and go to doctor's appointments. And when I started seeing Dr. O, I would go once a week, and slowly I was getting better. I was able to go out with my friends, do things socially, and go to the grocery store again, cook dinner again. And I am so grateful that Dr. O is giving me my life back, and he's not made me go have surgery. So I really appreciate everything that he's done.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
Thank you.